Welcome to the Millicell Cloud, a new way to view and interact with data from across devices and contributors of your organization. Quick and easy setup begins with confirming the email address of your group's chosen organization owner. This person will manage your account and add contributors to the group. All ERS 3.0 instruments come with a free trial code for 6 months of cloud access. The code is on a sticker on the instrument screen. Enter your purchased or trial access code and create your organization. The landing page of the Millicell Cloud contains information on all of the devices in your cloud. Filter the feed by user, project, cell lines, and even by device to view only the desired results. ERS 3.0 data is automatically graphed and plotted in the cloud. Simply pick a device, project, cell lines, and plate names. Toggle background subtraction and error bars based on your preference. Download the plot as a PNG file. You can also download the plate summary as a PDF and the plate data as a CSV file. Creating a plate on the cloud is easy and automatically downloads to your networked ERS. Fill out plate information and create groups for your wells from the comfort of your desk. The cloud offers additional information fields beyond those available on the device, such as insert information and metrics. The owner of your Millicell Cloud organization has the authority to share the cloud organization instance to new contributors through email invitations. Contributors can then create their own logins and use them on the Millicell DCI and Millicell ERS instruments to transmit their data up to their cloud organizations. Each plate map for the ERS 3.0 data has the following options to control their data. The plate summary PDF contains the plate map, summary graph, and well group information with one-click download. Download your raw data with plate data CSV. Archive Plate will clean up your cloud feed by removing finished experiments and archiving the data for later. If you already have a Millicell instrument with the cloud account, use the same login on the new instrument for it to automatically join the same Millicell Cloud with the added benefit of pooling data, sharing projects, and cell lines. For more information, please contact your account manager or visit our website.